In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a video from Google Drive. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your files effectively. By the end of this video, you will feel confident in navigating Google Drive to remove any unwanted videos. First, you will want to open your browser. If you are using Chrome, you can easily find the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of your screen. This icon looks like a grid of dots. Clicking on this will give you quick access to various Google services. It's important to start from here because it ensures you are logged into your Google account. This step sets the foundation for everything else you will do in Google Drive. Next, you will click on Drive. This action directs you to your Google Drive homepage, where all your files are stored. You will see a clean layout with a menu on the left side and your files in the center. This is where you can easily manage your documents, images, and videos. Accessing Drive is crucial as it is the central hub for file management within your Google account. Now you need to locate the video you want to remove. Look through the list of files presented on your screen. Depending on how many videos you have, this may take a moment. Pay attention to the thumbnails and file names to help identify the correct video. Being methodical here saves you time later, as you'll know exactly which file you are targeting for deletion. If you are unable to locate the video from the list, don't panic. You can use the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and select the option for advanced search. This feature allows you to filter your search, making it easier to find your video. Advanced search is particularly useful if you have a large collection of files. It helps narrow down your options significantly, enhancing your efficiency in file management. For the type, select videos. This filter allows you to focus solely on video files. Next, type any words you recall that might be part of the video's file name. After entering this information, click Search. This step is important because it pulls up only the relevant files, saving you from scrolling through unrelated documents. You will see the results populate based on your criteria, making it easier to find the video you need. Once you have found the video, it's time to delete it. You can press the delete or backspace key on your keyboard, which is the quickest method. Alternatively, you can right-click on the video and select the option that says Move to Trash, represented by a trash bin icon. This step is crucial as it removes the video from your drive, freeing up space and organizing your files. You will see a confirmation appear, ensuring that your action has been successfully executed. Overall, deleting a video from Google Drive is a simple process that can help keep your digital space organized. By following these steps, you can easily manage your files and keep only what you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more comfortable using Google Drive.